In this demo, I'll guide you through managing datasets inside FlyPix AI, including reviewing dataset details, configuring model training, updating information, and removing datasets when needed. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to access your datasets, understand their structure, prepare them for training, edit dataset information, and manage them efficiently within your workspace. Start by going to the left navigation panel and clicking on Datasets. This will open a list of all datasets available in your workspace. On this page, you can see every dataset you've created. Each dataset displays important details, such as the number of linked files, associated classes, and the creation date. This gives you a quick overview of your dataset library. To explore a specific dataset in more detail, click on View Details. This opens the full dataset overview. Here you can review the dataset name, description, creation date, associated classes, and linked raster files. This helps you understand how the dataset is structured and whether it's ready for training. Scroll to the Dataset Files section. Here you can see the linked raster file along with its total area and estimated training cost. This gives you insight into dataset size and expected resource usage during training. In the Model Training section, you can prepare a new training run using this dataset. Select the model type that matches your objective, for example, object detection or semantic segmentation. If needed, expand advanced settings to customize training parameters. Once your configuration is complete, click Train Model on Dataset. Begin generating a new model based on this dataset. The system will initiate training using the selected parameters. After reviewing details or initiating training, you can navigate back to the Datasets page to continue managing your dataset collection. Each dataset includes a management menu with additional options. Click on the menu to access editing or deletion controls. If you need to update dataset details, select Edit Dataset. You can modify the dataset name, description, or associated classes to keep everything properly organized. After making your updates, click Save to apply the changes. This ensures your dataset information remains accurate and up to date. If a dataset is no longer needed, open the Management menu and select Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear. You can either cancel to keep the dataset or confirm to permanently remove it from your workspace. Confirming the action permanently removes the dataset from your workspace. Managing datasets effectively ensures your AI training process remains organized, efficient, and scalable. By reviewing dataset structure, configuring training properly, updating information, and removing outdated datasets, you maintain a clean and optimized workflow within FlyPix AI.